think we might do a little fishing today. Just which one do I want to go on? Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler. And we're ready to travel. This boat here, $1.5 million. And the one next to it is $1 million, but today you can get it at the low price of $900,000 for Yamaha 350 V8 engines. Look at that cockpit, even has air conditioner in it. Come up front here, this middle part rises up automatically to a table. That over there is $2.5 million. Boy, this house, one of the houses down here in the Keys that didn't make it through Irma. If you look real close right there, looks like a Ford LTD car. Still a lot of destruction down here in the Keys. It's a giant lobster. I am going jet skiing. There's our rides. We're skiing. They say there's over 400 boats in here that was destroyed by Hurricane Irma back in September. Here's just, can't get too close. Well, this is actually pretty close, but they got it all roped off and no trespassing. Very sad to see these things. I know video doesn't do it justice. You have to actually be here to see this, but it's about what I can show you. This is crazy. It's a Lamborghini show up here. Wow. Look at this. Oh, okay. What year is this car?
It's a 12.
2000 or 2012. There's a great old play, those Mad Dog 80s. I guess this is where they come to die. They don't go to the desert. They come to Miami International Airport. Well, this was the end of a long day. It all started off looking at $1 million fishing boats. And then I went jet skiing in Key West. And after that, I followed these Lamborghinis down 95 into Miami, which led me onto a rooftop where they were having a car show. All of Lamborghinis. It's probably $100 million in cars. And now I'm gonna turn in because it's been a long day and I'm kind of sunburned. So on that note, traveler out.